Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Khadijah and I am back with another banger video. I've been asked multiple times on Instagram how I do certain stuff, mainly my eyebrows and whatever. So I was like, why not just do a comeback video on YouTube since I'm starting up back, just teach you guys how to do it. Okay, so I normally start with my lashes and then my eyebrows and then my foundation and then my concealer and then my contour and then my powder and then my setting spray and then my lip liner and my lip gloss. So in that order is what we are going to be doing. So let me get the eyelashes ready, put them on, and then get back to you guys. Okay, so I got my my lashes on. The first thing I do is my lashes, as I tell y'all, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get my eyebrows popping. Okay, so for my eyebrows I normally use a bigger brush, but this is the brush that I'm using. It just brushes up into the shape of my original arch and the makeup is complete. I'm just joking. I'm gonna go in with the chocolate eyebrow pencil eyeliner slash lip liner. I don't know if y'all can see that, could you? And I'm gonna go ahead and like fill in my brows. I did not put no liner here, mainly because I'm going for like a natural brow look. Let me brush it out so y'all can see. So you want to brush it out first to get that natural shade. Y'all see that natural thing? And then brush it backwards. Natural. Y'all could, you could hardly see that I have something on my eyebrows, and that's what I'm aiming for. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the next one. For the under eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Kiss liquid foundation in the color Classic Tan. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this in, and then we're gonna go ahead and start with the top. I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal True Match in the color Cool Medium Deep. So I'll be using the Fit Me by Maybelline in the color Cappuccino 340 and the L'Oreal True Match in the color Cool Medium Deep. So I'm going to apply that to my face using this brush. It's like a flat brush. to blend it out, I'm gonna be using this brush. For my concealer, I will be using the She Glam Contour. I bought this contour thinking it would be darker, but it was really light. It was too light, so I had to use it as concealer. So this is in the color Golden Sun. I'm gonna go ahead and use this triangular thingy and just like blend that around. For a contour, I'll be using a very dark concealer. So I use a contour as concealer and the concealer as contour. Yes, I know, crazy. Oh, I'm going in with the powder. I forgot to tell y'all, I'm going in with a powder now. This is by She Glam. This is in the color deep brown. This is from She.
Bombastic side eye, criminal offensive side eye.
Sure.
You know about me when I was little? Well, hypothetically, maybe.
Are you alright? What happened?
Let's just go.
I'm going in with my lips, and I'm gonna go with the coffee lip liner. I'm gonna go ahead and outline the outside of my lips. So now I'm gonna put some lip gloss over it. I'm using this. We're not done. We're gonna go ahead and get the Mega Volume mascara for the under eye. I'm gonna go ahead and set everything with my Pro Pro Sealer from Clean Colors. You know. Sticks.
I don't want your room clean.
Oh, for my blush, I'm using this. I know, yes, shadows. I'm using the shadow for blush.
Later.
Are you guys feeling this look? I love it. I look good. Okay, let's make our thumbnail. Okay, so this is the end of the look. It's my first time trying it with such a dark blush, but I'm gonna keep digging it. It's real cute. But I hope you guys like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell so that every time I drop a video, y'all will be notified. Don't forget to share, tell a friend, and keep on telling those friends to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll try my best to upload as much as I can. For my Instagram, I'm gonna go ahead. It's in my intro, but don't forget to follow me at yup_Caddy_, and tell me what kind of videos y'all would love to see. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at lil._Tia. They're both in the intro, and a girl is out. Thank y'all so much for watching. Love you.